B cells, a response to extracellular pathogens. The humoral response is characterized by secretion of antibodies by B cells. Activation of B cells is aided by cytokines and antigen binding to helper T cells. Clonal selection of B cells generates antibody secreting plasma cells, the effector cells of humoral immunity. This is the antigen presenting cells and class 2 MHC molecules, then CD4 cells and helper T cells. The way of attacking to the helper T cells to the antigen presenting cells and killing the uh, antigen presenting cells. Then antibody classes. The five major classes of antibodies are immunoglobulins, differ in distribution and function. Polyclonal antibodies are the products of many different clones of B cells following exposure to a microbial antigen. Monoclonal antibodies are prepared from a single clone of B cells grown in culture. These are the classes of immunoglobulins, antibody, and distribution and function. First one is the IgM antibodies. This is the structure of IgM antibody. It will have the J chain and antibody chains. And distribution, first IgM class produced after initial exposure to antigen, then its concentration in the blood declines. Promotes neutralization and cross-linking of the antigens, very effective in complement system activation. Class of immunoglobulin IgG. Distribution, most abundant IgG class in blood, also present in tissue fluids. Function, promotes opsonization, neutralization and cross-linking of antigens, less effective in the activation of complement system IgM. Only IgG class that crosses placenta, thus that conferring passive immunity on fetus. Loss of immunoglobulin IgA. This is the structure of the IgA antibody and present in secretions such as tears, saliva, mucus and breast milk. Function is provides localized defense of mucous membranes by cross-linking and neutralization of antigens. Presence in breast milk confers passive immunity on nursing infant. IgE present in blood at low concentrations triggers release from mast cells and basophils of histamine and other chemicals that cause allergic reactions. IG, IgD present primarily on surface of B cells that have not been exposed to antigens. Acts as an antigen receptor in the antigen stimulated proliferation and differentiation of B cells. Then role of antibodies in immunity. Main role of these antibodies is neutralization occurs when pathogen can no longer uh, infect a host because it is bound to an antibody. By this way, it will neutralize the pathogens. Then opsonization occurs when antibodies bound to antigens increase phagocytosis. Antibodies together with the proteins of the complement system generate a membrane, attack complex and cell lysis. It will cause cell lysis. Okay, this is the process of neutralization of the antigens by attacking the antibodies. This is the opsonization of the bacteria and macro through the action of the macrophages, activation of complement system and pore formation. These are all the complement proteins and formation of the membrane attack complex. Okay. this is about the types of the immunity and also different types of the immune cells and function of the immune cells and antigen antibody reactions. Okay. uh, After completing this review of immune system, you can able to know about the what is immunity and types of the immunity, what are the cells it was involved present in the immune system, how it was working, and differences between the antigen and antibody and inflammatory reactions and clonal selection of the antibodies and memory cells and types of the antibodies. Okay, thank you.